What's up guys, Learning with Rich here. In this video, we are going to learn how to add doors to our building. Okay, so we're going to add doors to the exterior and interior walls. And then after that, we're going to modify the instance parameters of these doors. And then I'm going to show you also how to load new door families and add instances of doors in your project. Okay, so let's do this. So after we create all the walls, we edit the walls using the modify tools here, remember? Okay, so this time let's add doors. So to add doors, you can type DR as a shortcut, or you can just select the door here. Okay, so just click that one. And then after that, look at the instance type properties or type selector. So as you can see, we have only one family here, which is M single flash with different sizes. Okay, so for this one, I'm just gonna use here, let's say this 864 by 2032 mm type of single flash. So I'm gonna select this one. And then after that, let me just put it somewhere here. Okay. So our door is a wall hosted family, so that's why you need a wall for you to be able to place your door, because door is a wall hosted family. And if you're going to hover your pointer, if you move your pointer, you can actually see the preview of the door that you will be placing. So let's say I'm gonna place it here, that one. Okay, and then after that, I'm just gonna select your modify. So that's it. If you're going to select the door, you can see also here there's a flip icon. So this one, so you can flip that left and right, and then you can also flip this up and down, left and right. Okay, and then up and down. Okay, and if you're going to select the door, again, you can see here your temporary dimension, right? So let's say, for example, you want to change the distance, so you can click the door, and then you can click the temporary dimension. If you want to change the justification of this temporary dimension line, so let's say you don't want that to snap at the center line of this wall, you can click that dot. As you can see, it changes, right? It changed the justification. So let's say I want that to be justified here or to be placed here on the right side of this wall. So I'll just click that dot, click again, and that's it. Okay, right? And then let me just change this one. So I'm gonna click this. Let's say I want to type 2400, enter, and then just click outside to deselect the door. So that's it. Very simple. Okay. Also, if you are going to place a door, so let's say I'm gonna place it here. Let me select again the door, this one. You can also turn on here from the tag panel, tag on placement. So as you can see, tag on placement here is turned off or toggled off. So you can just click that to toggle on, so that when you place your door, so let's say I'm gonna place one here, there's already the door tag added. Okay, so let me put another one here. You can press space bar before you pick or click the door or the wall for the placement of your door. You can press space bar. So as you can see, every time you press space bar, it flips. Okay, so I'm gonna place it here, and there you go. Okay, and then I'm gonna select here modify. So that's it. So it's very simple to place your door. So you can also click the door. So aside from changing the temporary dimension, of course, you can also use the arrow on your keyboard if you want to move that left and right. Okay, and you can also check here the instance properties, wherein you can specify the sill height. You can check here the level, the frame type, etc., etc. Okay, so after we place the door, so let us now learn how to load a new door type. Because as you can see, when I click the door here, I only have one type of door. I only have M single flash. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select your load family. Click that. And let me just go to my exercise folder. I'm going to show you how to load a door. So it's not there. Components, let me see this one. Okay, so I don't have one there. Profiles, template, no. Okay, so let me just go here. No. Okay, so let me go to my C drive, or maybe on my D drive. So just to show you how to load a door, and let's look for Autodesk, Revit. Okay, so libraries, let's look for English. Okay, so there's no family there. How about this one? No again. Okay, so where are my families? So how about German? Okay, so it's not there. Okay, so how about I select here 2022. I don't have 2021 libraries, English. Okay, so I don't have installed family here. So how about the old version, 2019, library content, generic. Okay, so I don't have family here. 2020. Okay, I don't have one. But anyway, I don't have here. I don't components. Okay, so I don't have any family of door here in my computer. But if ever you want to load a new type of door, so that's simple. Just go to the door and then just select load family. Okay, so if you want to load, and then just go to the folder where you say the door family. It's just so happen here on my machine I don't have one. I don't know why. Revit family. I only have here plumbing fixture, Autodesk, Revit 2021. What's this content path? English. Okay, so this one. Okay, so it's inside the content path. So there's the doors. Okay, so let me just look for a double glass. This one. So just select that and then open. Just select OK. There you go. So it's now loaded here. Okay, so it's not that difficult to load your project. So let's say I'm gonna put it here. There you go. And just select modify. Okay. So I now have a new type of door here, which is this one. So double door, double glass. All right. Okay, so let us put more doors. So let me change this one, single flash. Let me use this one here, 9152134. So let me select that, and I'm going to put a door. So let's say, for example, here, that's the one. And then I'm going to flip this door, click that, and then flip to the other side. Okay, so in 3D view, this is how it looks like. So after you place your door, you can type SD for shaded view, and there you go. Okay, so it's not that difficult to place your door. Okay, so now for our next exercise, so let us put up some windows in our project. Okay, so here on our project, so after we place all our doors, of course, for the rest of the door, so that's your exercise, so you can put that inside this project. So if you don't have this project, so just give me your email. I'll be sending you this exercise file. Okay, so let us put some windows. So window is this one. Shortcut is WN. So just click that. And then again, from the type selector, so let's select here. I'm going to use this one. So 610 mmW. So let me select this. And then I'm going to put it here. So again, tag on placement, I'm going to turn this on so that when I place my window, so there's already a tag. So let me put it here. That's the one. And then I'll just select here, modify. Okay, so I can also click the window again and then specify the temporary dimension here if I want to change the distance. So I can change that. So let's say 600, enter. Okay, right, and let me just create another window. So let's select the window tool. So this time I'll be using 762. Let me click that, and let's say I'm gonna put it here and modify. Okay, so for the distance, so let me select this. Let me select the door, the window, and then let me change the distance here. So let's say I also want 600, and then enter. Modify. Okay, so that's how you place your window. So let's say, for example, you want to create and add new window types. Okay, so to do that, so I'm going to select the window that I just placed. So let's say I'm going to use this window to create a new type of window. So I'm going to select that. And then after that, here from the properties, you can click here, edit type, to open up the type properties. So here's our type properties. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this one. So let's say what I want is I want to have a 900 mm. So I don't have 900 mm here. I only have 610 and 762. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this. And then let me change the name here. Let's change that to 900 mm and then select here OK. And then of course we need to change here our width. So instead of 762, I'm gonna change that to 900 because I created a 900 mm. So I'm gonna select here OK to close the type properties, and there you go. So you just place your window or replace. So if you select the window again, click the type selector, you can see you now have a new type of window there. So you can click that. Okay, and you can just place another one. So let's say I'm gonna place it here. That's it. And then I'll just select here modify. So it's not that difficult to create or place your door and windows. And also if you have another type of window, you want to customize your window or door, of course what you do is you need to create a new family to customize your door or window. Of course, it's not part of this exercise because it takes a lot of time to create a family. That's why I only use a generic type of family. Okay, so let's check this out in the 3D view. SD for shaded view, and there you have it. So there's your doors and there's your windows. Okay, so hopefully you learned something from this video. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, you can put it on the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.